macOS Tahoe 26.3 release candidate is finally here, and it's a bittersweet one. As likely the final major version to support Intel-based Macs, Apple is doing two things: polishing the new liquid glass UI to a mirror shine and aggressively stripping out legacy drivers. If your Hackintosh is lagging, your Wi-Fi is ghosting, or you're staring at a black screen, don't panic. Today, we're breaking down the community-tested secret patches and the vital bug fixes in 26.3 RC that will keep your build alive. First, let's talk about what's actually new. Liquid glass polished. Beta 3 was a laggy mess. The RC finally optimizes the transparency effects on the dock and menu bar. If you have an Intel iGPU, the blurry square cursor bug is mostly gone. Spotlight clipboard history. This is a game changer. Hit Command plus space, then Command plus 4. Spotlight now natively indexes your clipboard history for up to 8 hours. GPU P-state fix. For Apple Silicon users and some high-end AMD Hackintoshes, the RC fixes a massive power management bug that was tanking FPS in games like Path of Exile 2. Your clocks should now boost correctly again. Now for the secret patches, the stuff Apple doesn't want you doing. The Skywalk Wi-Fi Ghost Fix. Even if you have the kexts, Tahoe 26.3 has a Wi-Fi ghosting bug where you're connected but you have no data. The fix? You must use amfi pass.kext and the boot arg amfi equals 0. Also, the community is reporting that toggling location services off and back on in privacy settings fixes the data flow issue on boot. The AMD Picara the Hannock. If you're on a Navi card, 5000 or 6000 series, the AGDP mod equals Picara argument is causing panics in the RC. The workaround? Remove the boot arg and let the latest whatever green, version 1.6.9 plus, handle the auto detection. The Apple HDA re-injection. Analog audio is officially dead in Tahoe's code. To get your speakers back, you can't just use Apple ALC. You need to manually re-inject the Sequoia-era Apple HDA.kext using a tool like myKextInstaller, or switch to Voodoo HDA if you can't live without that headphone jack. Before you hit that update button, check these three things. The analytics spike. There is a bug where Diagnostic D spikes your CPU to 100% on Intel builds. Fix: disable Share Mac Analytics in system settings immediately after booting. OpenCore 1.0.6 is mandatory. Don't even try this on lower versions. The 26.3 kernel handshake will fail, leaving you in an infinite boot loop. Bluetooth loops. If you're using Intel Bluetooth, update to the latest Bluetool fix-up. Older versions are causing a race condition that prevents the login screen from appearing. Is 26.3 RC stable enough for a daily driver? If you're on a modern SMBIOS like iMac 20,1 and you've applied the Skywalk and audio patches, it's the best Tahoe has felt yet. If this saved your Hackintosh, hit that like button and subscribe for the final 26.3 release coverage next week. Happy Hackintoshing!